Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fake PayPal payment fail. First, let's understand why PayPal payment fails is a common reason insufficient balance. If you are paying from your PayPal bank or the bank account, make sure there is enough money available. Another reason could be a problem with your bank card or the bank. If your debit card or credit card is expired, locked or not limited properly to your PayPal account, you can do this by opening PayPal, go to the wallet and receive your payment method. After that, check your internet connection. For that, scroll down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open Control Center. A weak or unstable connection can cause payment failure. Try switching a strong Wi-Fi network or mobile data and try again. Sometimes PayPal block a payment for the security reason. This can happen if you are making a large payment or paying a new seller. In this case, wait a few minutes and try again. Or log into the PayPal and confirm your identity if you ask. And make sure your PayPal account is verified. Add and confirm your email, phone number and the account number to avoid payment issues. If the payment still fails, try the simple step: log out and log back in your PayPal account, clear app cache or update the PayPal app. Try using a different PayPal method. If nothing works, contact to PayPal customer support, tap on help and go to the PayPal customer support. In the most of cases, the step will solve the problem quickly. Thanks for listening, and that's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.